Today, I'll walk through 10 realistic passive income ideas you can start from home, with quick steps to get going and what to expect. Let's dive. 1. Create and sell digital products, courses, templates, ebooks. Digital goods sell repeatedly with no inventory. Start by packaging a skill into an online course or a downloadable template. Host on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or your own site. Tip: focus one niche and refine your first product. E-learning and digital product demand remain strong. 2. Affiliate marketing, blogs, YouTube, social. Promote other people's products and earn commission. Once content ranks, it can pay for months. Start with a niche blog or focused YouTube videos and join networks: Amazon, ShareASale, Impact. Note: incomes vary widely, many make modest amounts, top creators scale big. 3. Publish audiobooks/ebooks, royalties. Write once, sell repeatedly via Kindle or audiobook platforms. Use short, useful guides or repurpose existing content. Invest in good editing and a strong cover/title. Royalties build slowly but compound. 4. Dividend stocks and index funds. Buy dividend-paying stocks or broad index funds for periodic payouts. It's not zero work, you'll research and rebalance, but dividends are a classic passive income stream. Consider low-cost brokerages and DRIP, dividend reinvestment plans. Always check tax/timing for your country. 5. Create a niche membership or subscription, paid newsletter/Patreon. Recurring monthly fees from a loyal audience create predictable revenue. Offer exclusive tutorials, templates, or early content. Start with a engaged cohort and scale benefits as you grow. 6. Build and sell stock photos, videos, music, or templates. Creators buy assets. One photo or beat can sell many times. Use Shutterstock, Pond5, Envato, or music libraries. Tag intelligently and upload consistently, earnings compound over time. 7. License your software/low-code SaaS or apps. A small utility or plugin can generate recurring revenue from subscriptions or licensing. Start with a focused problem and a simple MVP. Overhead increases if you support many users, so plan scalability. 8. Rent digital real estate/domains or monetize a website. Buy, improve, and monetize niche websites, ads, affiliate links, subscriptions. Flip later or keep passive ads/affiliate income. Learn basic SEO and content systems, initial work is front-loaded. 9. Invest in REITs or crowdfunding real estate. Get rental/real estate returns without managing properties. REIT dividends pay periodically and platforms allow small investments into larger projects. Good for diversification if you prefer less hands-on property exposure. 10. Create automated funnels, lead magnets, email sequences, product offers. Pair a free lead magnet, checklist, mini course, with automated email sequences, promote products or affiliates. Once set, funnels can run for months with occasional updates, excellent for creators and coaches.